And so Baru is just about ready for a first sail. We're going out tomorrow, go out for a couple of days, just head up to Royal Keys.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
We've added a 200 watt solar panel to the back, just a single 200 watt panel. That simplifies the cabling actually. That's pumping juice into the batteries now. That's complementing the other solar panels that's on the coach roof. So, been working on the sail plan. This is just to go from Hartlepool to Royal Keys. Done it graphically, so we've got down this side here time, and across the bottom nautical miles. So it's about 25.5 nautical miles between Hartlepool and Royal Keys. Now I've got two lines on here, a red and a green. If we'd set off today, we'd already have been underway, but we decided to delay. We had one or two things to resolve. So tomorrow we will start at 1300 hours. We should have 2.3 meters of water in the channel. Now if I plan at 6 knots, that will get us into Royal Keys at around about 17:15. Okay, I've got a couple of waypoints. I've got one at Seaham and one at Sunderland. Seaham we should pass around about 1440. And what I can do on this chart then is plot exactly above or below the line we are. If we're running faster, we will get to Seaham earlier, and therefore that will give me a different track, a different plan. But it's all about just keeping track on where you are. I've marked on here, well, high tide at Hartlepool is 16:27, and high tide at Royal Keys, or on the Tyne anyway, tomorrow is 16:17. So no tidal restrictions on the Tyne or at Royal Keys. We can get in at any state of tide. You've got plenty of space on this then to mark on things like, well, Hartlepool, VHF, the T's VTS, not that we'll need that. Tyne VTS, we will need that. Royal Keys, channel 80 as well. Put the weather down, what we're expecting tomorrow. The winds, and one of the reasons we didn't go today is the winds are from the north and we'll be heading north. Tomorrow the winds are from the south, only light at 7 miles an hour. So I think we'll end up motor sailing tomorrow. Temperatures around about 14, expecting a little bit of rain. Wave heights around about 0.6 of a metre, northerly, and 7 seconds. So I've got everything on one page. Saw this sailing Polaris use this method. It's a method that is used within the Royal Navy, so it can't be all bad. Hartlepool Marina, Baru, over.
Okay, thanks a lot, Murdy. We'll slip and make our way round slowly. Yeah, all copied. Okay. Yeah. shouldn't need that one since Murdy's catching lines. That's it. That's it. Okay, cheers. Friday. See you then. So we're just under sail, under the head sill. Once we get out of these pots, it might turn us in and put the main up.
Right, I'm going to make coffees.
Yeah. Wind speed's got up to 19 knots. That's giving us currently just over 6 knots for ground speed. We're doing 7 knots through the water. I like it.
Where'd the sun go? Yeah. That cooled down all at once. Oh, it did. What's the ticket over?
Hey?
What's the ticket out?
Chana's just relaxing there. There's Seaham. And up ahead is Sunderland. And then around the point is our destination.
Sun's come out again.
Yeah. Quite nice when the sun's out. Have we got something spinning?
Sail's flogging again.
Mine. Can you hear it?
Yeah, I can.
It's almost as if there's something whirring.
Yeah. drop.
Oh, right.
I couldn't hear it back there.
Did you not?
No. Yeah, it's folded. It's folded down.
Right. I think it did that before. No, it stopped.
Oh, missed that. Just had a battle with the foresail with the Genoa. I had to drop it. The furling lines got crossed over on the drum and I couldn't free it. So, we've dropped the headsail. Right. There's a vessel just going in. You can follow him in. There's a vessel going in. There's one there. Be that big one there. So we're following him in. So yeah. Slow it down enough to go behind me.
So hi, we're in Royal Keys. This is the day after our run up, so this is Thursday. Good run. Again, the weather wasn't quite what it was forecast. We should have had a southerly wind, so we set really just to put the headsail up and run with the headsail, because I didn't really want to start rigging a preventer up on the fly. Not what we got. The wind prediction in particular was not correct. We had northwesterlies to westerlies, not southerlies. So partway up we rigged the main and ran the main up, and had quite a good sail, because we were struggling to get any speed just out of the headsail. But eventually we got her up to 6.5 knots. We were punching tide. The tides this week for Hartlepool were either stupid o'clock set off, and neither of us are into that these days. We will have to, but neither of us are. And the next high tide was for 4:30ish. So that meant, well, I'd calculated that if we could leave berth about 12:30, we should have had enough water, going by the calculation, at 2.3. But what I didn't realise, or I'd forgotten, was at Hartlepool, the channel is half a metre above chart datum. So we had to wait till, well, it was about 1:30, 13:30, when we actually managed to get out of the lock. So we were then punching tide quite strongly all the way up, and it was fine until we got to the Tyne, where we had to drop the sails. First of all, couldn't drop the headsail. The reefing line had fouled on the spooler, the furling line. Now, thanks to our friends and fellow YouTubers, Salty Lass, they've said, well, you need to keep more tension on your furling line. Unfortunately, on here it's a little bit short, so I'm going to have to add an extension temporarily, and then we'll look at replacing that. So I had fun then dropping the headsail out at sea. We had a 0.6 to 0.8 swell, so we were bouncing around a bit, and the wind was blowing. So it was a little bit hectic. Sorry, didn't catch that on camera. But anyway, we got in fine. We got into the lock round about 7:15, so about 18:45, and we were in berth by round about past. So all went well. Janet's just come back from her shower.
Morning, guys.